남자친구, 남자친구. What does this word mean? Today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to study about the word 남자친구. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 286. 남자친구, 남자친구. This word is composed of 4 syllables. 남자친구. Pronounce it with me. 남자친구, 남자친구. As mentioned, our word for today is 남자친구, which is basically the Korean noun for boyfriend. Again, 남자친구 is boyfriend in Korean. And if you're familiar, 남자 is a term for a man, and 친구 is the term for the friend. And 남자친구 is actually the combination of these two words. So, 남자친구 is boyfriend. How do we write 남자친구 in Hangul? This word is composed of 4 syllables. For the first syllable nam, we need to draw first a nian character, followed by an a character, followed by a miam character. For the second syllable ja, we need to draw first a jiat character, followed by an a character. For the third syllable chin, we need to draw first a chiat character, followed by an e character, followed by a nian character. And then for the last syllable gu, we need to draw first a giak character, followed by an u character. So that's it for the 4 syllables. And to be able to form the word 남자친구, you just have to combine the Hangul for each of these 4 syllables. And that's how you write 남자친구. And with that, you've just learned 남자친구. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 276 to 285. But don't forget our word for today, word number 286, 남자친구, which means boyfriend. The first word for our review is word number 285, gasu, which means singer. Word number 284 is pada, which is the Korean term for ocean or sea. Word number 283 is sangson, which is the Korean term for fish. To be more specific, it is a fish that is eaten. Word number 282 is kwail. This is the Korean term for fruit. Word number 281 is topta, and this is a verb which means to help. Word number 280 is chuta, which means to give. Word number 279 is hwayoil, which means to stay. Word number 278 is namu, which means tree or wood. Word number 277 is aju, which means very. And the last for our review, word number 276, jokum, which means a little. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.